Hello. So, do you want to learn how to speak in French? Then come along with me and let's learn how to speak in French. Well, I have this obsession of knowing how to speak in French, and I'm giving myself 3 months to know how to converse in French. I'll be able to make a sentence, or let me not just a sentence. I'll be able to have a conversation in French. So only 3 months. 3 months from now. Today is 6th of September 2025. So 3 months from now, that is 90 days from now, will be September, October, November, December. December 6th, 2025, I'll be able to know how to have a conversation in French, even if I'll not be able to have the accent of speaking a good French, but I'll be able to have a conversation. I'll be able to understand someone who is speaking in French. So I'm only giving myself 3 months from now. So if you want to know how to speak in French, or if you don't know how to speak in French and you wish to know how to speak in French, then let's have this challenge together. I'll be posting almost every day on my progress. So today is day one. And so on day one, I'll just tell you what I've learned on how to introduce myself if I want to introduce myself. So let me say my name is Ivy. I'll say Je m'appelle Ivy. That's my name. Or let me say, there's another phrase that they use that is Je suis. Je suis. Kindly forgive me if I'm not pronouncing well, but this is my first day. So it's either Je m'appelle Ivy or Je suis. Je suis. Je suis Ivy. Je suis Ivy. But the most common one is Je m'appelle. So I'll just use Je m'appelle Ivy. Well, today is the first day. Kindly congratulate me for knowing that. And I've heard so many people say that you cannot introduce yourself. Like if it's your peers, you can't say that you are Ivy. Let me say you say I am. I am. You say je suis. Je suis Ivy. Well, today's day one. Kindly let's have this challenge together and let's know how to speak in French in just 3 months. Well, je m'appelle Ivy or je suis Ivy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow and let's know our steps on, or let you know my steps on my challenge. Today's the one. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.